Okay, so I just wanted to jump on real quick and document the last part that I'm gonna do to color my hair. As you guys can see, it's still pretty brown up there, and I just want it to match the bottom part a little bit better. So I picked up some Splat Midnight Indigo, and this is the original color that I colored my hair that I really liked. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do this, the roots. I'm hoping that this works out. So it's pretty basic what you have. They give you the bottle of hair dye and pretty much just some gloves that I don't really know where mine are right now. I was gonna just re-dye the whole thing, but I really am so in love with this down here right now that I don't even wanna mess with it. So I'm just gonna throw these gloves on and put it on my roots, I think, and see how that turns out. So if you guys wanna stick around and see the outcome, I'm happy to share it with you. All right, let's get started. Okay, so I got it all over myself again, on like my arms and stuff. I scrubbed it off the best I could. It's gonna be on my ear a lot, on my face. So I'm really glad I didn't do this right before the wedding because I'd probably be stained. But I think I got it for the most part pretty good. I still have that other bottle just in case that I'll save for like a couple weeks out here. And Charlie, our baby Moana right there. But I still have that other bottle that I'm gonna keep, so here in like a week or so, if I'm still not liking the way that it looks, I'll apply that other bottle, so that way I'm good to go for the wedding. I guess I will just show you guys the end result when this is done processing. Okay, so it's been in for an hour. I'm gonna go wash it out and see how this looks here. So I accidentally dyed all of it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never.
Damn. But as you can see, there's no more brown. It's darker. I'm under a light right here, but so the brown's definitely gone. As you can see, it's more like a black is almost what it looks like now, but it's blue at the bottom. Darn it. That's a good shift that you can kind of see, but darn it. I was trying my best. See, I didn't dye this part, but that's just from being in the water, just rinsing out the dye. And this is my hands just from rinsing out the dye. So, darn it, darn it, darn it. Yeah. I'm so sad. I mean, this color's not bad, but I'm just bummed. I really wish I would have been able to enjoy that a little bit longer. But I guess we know what I'm gonna do next time. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I know it's been short, but this didn't take very long. So, and it's like later now. I ate supper and then blow dried my hair, and yeah, oh well, it's okay. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.